Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix patching stuck problem. So the first thing is you need to open your task manager by clicking right click here, then choose task manager. After that you just select network here and you will find League of Legends here and Riot Game. So you click on end task for League of Legends and also for Riot Game. After that, you reopen League of Legends and this problem should be fixed. If it's not fixed, so this is due to your slow internet connection and it means that League of Legends is still downloading. So just wait for it until it is downloaded, then this problem will be fixed and you can start playing without having the patching stuck. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.